Kambi maloso teko sitima mano KenGen oyango ni gidwa tiyo kodh Nino e bero yore mag keyo teko sitima mondo oganda oyud fuong'ruok e nengo mar sitima kaluwore ni sama koth ng'eny to miyo pi bedo moromo e yewni mitiyo godo e loso sitima. Jatend KenGen Midusa Peter Njenga okoni gimor kod chenro man piny owacho siro mar medo bero dag loso sitima mag gogo mani Migori. Gino magiwacho ni kopogore kod tero malo weche loso teko sitima to gidhi konyo bende e bero ngima oganda kokalo kuom loso thuolo mag tije kod bero uchumi mapacho kaendi. Omedo ni gidwaro chako tiyo kod teko mar chieng' bende e loso teko sitima.
Gogo hydropower plant redevelopment project will contribute significantly to the progress and prosperity of Western Kenya. On the important matter of water levels and the crucial role dams play, we anticipate heavy rains, the mini El Nino, which we believe will potentially improve dams levels in both western and eastern regions. Considering that hydropower is the cheapest form of energy in Kenya, this will have the net effect of lowering the cost of electricity for all our consumers.
We are also looking at going into solar. It will be the first time that we are now going to embark on solar. Even though we are managing the solar station for Rerek in Garissa, we are going to put up our own in our hydropower stations at Seven Forks. We know we can harness our experience to improve the efficiency at which we generate electricity. It is not exercise in futility to actually invest in a hydropower station. And of course, hydro is, as you have seen when you went round, is a very stable source of electricity.